Now shift our attention over to US election. Ruth Bader Ginsburg, the second woman to serve on the Supreme Court, a pioneering advocate for women's rights who became a much younger generation's cultural icon, died at the age of 87. Ginsburg was put on the Supreme Court by then US President Bill Clinton in 1993, while some liberals even feared she would turn out to be a moderate. Over her 27 years in court, she emerged as a champion of progressive causes. The sudden vacancy on the Supreme Court has now abruptly transformed the presidential campaign. It has underscored the stakes of the contest between Donald Trump and Joe Biden. Ginsburg and her death has given Trump an opportunity to try to install a third member of the Supreme Court now, with just weeks before an election that polls show he is currently losing. If Trump is able to replace Justice Ginsburg, it could cement a conservative majority for years to come, giving Republican appointee 6 of the 9 seats. Meanwhile, it is also a major challenge for McConnell, who blocked President Barack Obama from filing a vacancy on the court in 2016 on the grounds that it should wait until after voters decided on a new president. The Democratic presidential nominee Joe Biden has said that the winner of the November election should pick a successor to the late Supreme Court justice.
In the coming days, we should focus on the loss of the justice and her enduring legacy. But there is no doubt, let me be clear, that the voters should pick the president, and the president should pick the justice for the Senate to consider. This was the position of the Republican Senate took in 2016, when there were almost 10 months to go before the election. That's the position the United States Senate must take today, and the election is only 46 days off. I think the fastest justice ever confirmed was 47 days, and the average is closer to 70 days. And so we should do this with full consideration.
Among Trump's top contenders is Amy Coney Barrett, a judge on the Chicago-based 7th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals. The list also includes Republican Senators Ted Cruz of Texas and Tom Cotton of Arkansas, Noel Francisco, who served until recently as Trump's Solicitor General, and Paul Clement, the Solicitor General under former Republican President George W. Bush.
15 to 14 to 12 to 10 to 7.